boy of the France with N, and today I am going to be opening a lot of Paris souvenir packages because they've now been released. Hello?
Hi.
So, listen, I have...
AIDS.
Wait, Sams, put on your camera. Hello, Samuel.
Hello.
Look here. Paris 2023 items. You go here, get more tokens. You choose 20, you buy 57 euro for 20. So this opening is gonna be like 600 euro basically at least. But before that, I want to thank Skin Baron for sponsoring this video. Skin Baron is a very safe CSGO marketplace that's made in Germany, and skins are listed for way cheaper than the Steam market. If you're selling skins that are over 999 euro, then the sales fee is only 2% and only 1% with a private sale. And with their balance system, you can rebuy skins for 0% fee. They've also got a 4K screenshot engine, and they recently enabled selling from USA, Canada, and Australia. We're also doing a free-to-join giveaway for Specialist Marble Fade Minimal Wear on Twitter, so make sure to check out Skin Baron and the giveaway from the link in the description. With these souvenir tokens, you just use them, you activate it. Look, one activated. Boom. Then you go here and you choose, let's say this one, okay? Apex versus G2, redeem souvenir. You see? Wow. Boom. I love this new design. The black package, I really like. That sounded very gay. I love me black package.
Stop it. Oh, God.
And there we go. Activate 139. What? I bought way more.
You're poor.
Oh yeah, where are those boogers? Yeah.
Now I have 200. I don't know what's happening, but we have enough. Surely I would have thought Valve should have had a better system in place to redeem your packages, but I guess not. Because honestly, who's gonna have the effort to do this like more than 200 times? No one.
I'm going for a wank.
Well, Mongols versus Greyhounds on Nuke, and we do 25 of those, and then I think I have every single map in the major. 200 Paris 2023 souvenir packages. Let's start with the Nuke ones from the top, okay? 3, 2, 1, boom! First ever Paris souvenir package.
Let's go.
Oh, next one. Yeet! I've never gotten anything good from a collection opening or a souvenir or anything. Oh, well, that is great. Same position.
Me and your mum every night, same position.
Me and your dad every night, Sam's position, same. Have you ever played Skate? You know the move that's called the coffin?
He's dead.
Next one. Boom! Come on, black package. Men vad fan! Hallå? Come on, at least a pink today. At least, at the very... Oh! Our first light blue, cold fusion, minimal wear. This is awful.
Why do they make all the souvenir skins so fucking ugly?
Yeah, I don't know. They all look the same. They don't have signatures anymore. Ah! I can already see that I just wasted now like 600 euro for no reason. Surely I get at least one pink, guys. What do you think?
No.
The Nuke package is bad. The best you can get is the M4 and the Tech 9, and they're not even that good, I'm not gonna lie.
Where are the nuclear threat?
That's all over Europe right now, boss man. No, they removed it. This is the new Nuke 2018, whatever. Yaha! Yeah. Last Nuke package now, thank God. It's kind of a throwaway package, these ones. I just put them in.
One? Oh.
Okay, nothing from the Nuke package. Next collection, Inferno. Okay, listen here. This one, the Integral, I kind of like. First, Inferno Paris souvenir package. Yeet!
Bella Italia. Oh.
The reason I am more excited about these souvenir packages than any other one is because we are actually going to go to the Paris major. This is the first major I'll ever attend, and that's a pretty good Glock. High beam. Let's see, how much is this one worth? Oh my god, it's 3 euro. Next, Inferno. Whoop, surely MP7 Fade here. That one is actually nice. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh! And the final Inferno package. Yeah. Come on. Okay. Now we're moving on to the Overpass. This one is actually quite good. Masterpiece, especially factory new, very expensive. Same with the Op Pink Didipat, okay? This is a good package. We need good things from it. Yeet. I'm just realizing, why did I even bother buying the shit packages?
No idea, they're the same price.
Yeah, exactly. Like, what the fuck? We're joined today by Vince. Vince, hello.
Hello.
You're from USA, right?
Yes, Florida.
Why do you all shoot each other so much?
No comment.
No comment.
Like oil?
Once again, no comment.
You like the slave trade?
Yeah, no, I mean... No.
Wait, yeah!
Once again, no comment.
Oh! Oh, our first blue! Nitro! Minimal wear. How much is it worth? Surely millions. 2.33 euro. Wait, holy shit, that was it? Oh my god. Okay, that was horrid. Next up, we've got 20 ancient. Listen, now we're starting to up the ante. Am I retarded? I think I bought Nuke twice. Oh no. I don't know what's happening, okay? We're going ancient now. Listen, welcome to the jungle, Souvenir. Extremely expensive, okay?
My balls smell hella bad. What the fuck?
That's crazy. Can I smell? Emerald Jade would be... Oh! Yes, sir! This is a very nice sticker. No, it's not. Let's see. How much is it? Surely this one is good. 4.8 euro. That's not even 2 packages. I'm just realizing this package opening for Furious must be hella nice because the only thing we're seeing is gray, just like Furious.
Bro, I didn't even say anything bad to you at the start of the... Like,
Oi! What color is it?
blue.
No.
What is it?
It's purple.
That's a blue though, right?
No, it's a purple.
Purple.
No way. Really?
Yeah, the first purple of the day.
What the fuck? Okay. Congratulations.
Gaslighting a Turk. Okay, how much is this one worth? Because that's actually... It's battle scarred. Nah. Oh my... Okay, it's 1 euro. Let me be lucky once, man. Let me... Ah!
Wait, what happened?
Oh, shit!
Oh my god!
Let's go, baby! Souvenir. Oh, FN! Let's see. Oh, 16 euro. What? I thought that was gonna be hella more. Fuck! Hello, F1.
Hello, have you opened anything good yet?
No, I just opened a USP, which is kinda decent, but I haven't
How
opened...
much is it?
16 euro.
I don't think that is qualified as decent.
Fully robot chat GPT NPC. Now we're moving on to the Nuke package, which is good timing considering you came back, F1. Hello.
What does that mean?
You are half Russian.
You are mother gay.
So I already opened Nuke, sadly. I accidentally bought too many, so I guess I'll quickly open. Okay, hello, old friend. I quick roll. Oi! I accidentally quick rolled one. Damn.
Candace got welcome to the jungle.
No, Desert Hydra, right?
Doesn't Hydra, what?
Oh yeah, no, never mind.
Yeah. Fuck.
I think the jungle was...
No!
Oh my god.
Oh, motherfucker! The last Nuke package, let's say.
Yeah, oh, thank you.
Now we're moving on to the Mirages, and then, gentlemen, we have Anubis, which is the main attraction of now, because this is the first time we
Why?
ever have... Yeah, good thing you asked, F1. This is the first time we ever have Souvenir Anubis. Also, apparently only this one singular package is new in my inventory, not any other. That's nice. Here's Desert Hydra, please me! Oh!
Oh, that's good. Purple.
Yeah, purple.
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 I have autism.
Yeah, and a small penis. Let's go again. 3, 2, pow, let's see. Navy Sheen. Ha! Charlie Sheen! I've made this joke before. This is literally living me life is like a loop.
Look at this fat ass Latina.
You're so foul.
Get the fucking orb right now. 3, 2, 1, yee. 3, 2, yee.
It's just not possible. I hate this.
Go manic.
Yeah, I go manic. Yeah, I throw a firebomb in the club. They get panicked. Yeah,
I got a dead body in the attic.
Nuh-uh, honey.
Wait, do that again, please.
Nuh-uh, honey.
Whitest chap in Middlesbrough.
In Shitterton. Hello, guys.
What the motherfucker said, man?
Randomly turned into a ghost mid-sentence.
He turned into Michael Jordan.
Boom! He turned into Michael Jordan. Kill yourself then. Now no one's laughing. Wait! Fuck! I missed it. That was the first Anubis package. We opened 2. We've got close to 100 Anubis packages. This is the first time ever we have Souvenir Anubis. Therefore, if we get now an M4 Eye of Horus or a pink, it would be insane.
What's actually the best item, like best souvenir item that you've ever opened?
A Souvenir Night in 2016. And I do this with every single collection and major and everything. And that's still the best thing I've opened. Okay, I'm gonna open the one that says new on it, because surely that one is telling me that it's good.
Oh my god.
Nice.
Bro, have I gotten a single blue from this? I don't think so, right? Fuck. This just goes to show, guys, never open these. Don't open these. Never open this, okay? Oh.
Guys, open these.
Let's see, how much is this one? This is the best item we've gotten so far, I think. 11 euro, okay. Oh, yes, another blue, okay. Minimal wear. This one could be good. It is worth 3 euro. Oh my, what the fuck?
Oh, you profited.
Once again, this is 600 euro, ultra well spent. I have so far about maybe 30 euro back.
They say it's a 1 in 4,000. Meanwhile, it's literally 1 in 0.
So you don't even have to open one to get it?
Yeah, you already have it in your mind.
How do people even open these? This is
I
so
saw the FAMAS. No! Shit!
It's not going to get any better.
Me every time I wake up and realize that it's not getting better. Like, it's a 1 in 4,000. It's not even worth opening this. I'm realizing this now. Why do I do this every year, every major?
After like 10 years.
Yeah, I'm gonna get 50 more Anubis packages, because then it's 250 packages in total. Surely I will get something, because now we are up at like 700 euro or something. Come. Oh my. Oh my god,
Bless
stop
you.
sneezing. What are you doing? Oh my. That was 2 purples next to each other. What? Man.
My mum's waiting for me to go eat. Can I go eat?
Yes, when we're done, Sans.
Wait, how long until you're done?
Not much. Oh, yes, the op! Okay, listen. This has to be the best item. This has to be the best item. Factory new souvenir op. How much? 52! Wait, actually, that's pretty good.
Oh, you spent 700.
Please shut up. Over 700 euro spent now on this souvenir package opening. And alas, it would appear we have maybe 10% of that
euro
back. Yeah. I think this is the worst thing you can open in CS. I think so. Yes! Yes!
Oi.
Oh, yes! Souvenir Scarab Rush. Okay, minimal wear. And look, Anubis is the best one. Oh, it's so big.
Fuck, yeah.
That's so good, actually. Okay. Let's see, how much is it? That one looks so good.
70 euro.
I'm saying 100.
16! Whoa! How is it 16? How is it 16 euro? Fuck, this is so bad. Okay, listen, I am not gonna buy any more of these packages. I'm gonna make this Paris souvenir opening video, and that's it. Because these are the worst types of cases you can open. It's dumb. It's very dumb. The last Anubis souvenir package that I'll ever open, most likely. Whoopee! Let's see,
Eye of
come on.
Horus. Let's go.
Surely. Oh, that went great. Okay, so the most expensive item we got today was this one. 50 euro.
Be grateful.
The rarest item we got was this one, I guess. But it's only 16 euros, so that's great. Yeah, okay, that went very well. Thank you guys for joining me today. Now I'm going to go and be happy, because I'm never opening any more souvenir packages ever again.
Surely.
See you next year, boys.
Yeah, see you next year. Yeah. Was that? Who loaded a gun? What? Vince loaded his revolver.